Wealth Wizards: Secrets Behind Successful Investors. In the world of finance, there are some people who seem like they have special powers when it comes to dealing with money. They're called wealth wizards. They're really good at investing and making money, even when the economy isn't doing well. But what makes them different from regular investors? Do they have a secret trick or some kind of magic that helps them get rich? Or is it because they've spent a lot of time learning, making smart decisions, and sometimes getting lucky? Join us on a journey as we delve into the enigmatic world of wealth wizards, uncovering the hidden truths behind their success and exploring the principles that guide their every move. The art of risk management. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope, really high up. Every step feels unsure. Some people might find this scary, but for successful investors, it's just another day at work. Successful investors are a bit like tightrope walkers in finance. They know how to handle risks without being scared. Instead of avoiding uncertainty, they see it as a chance to get better. But here's the thing, they're not reckless. They think carefully before making any move. Before they invest in something, they think about how much they could gain compared to the risks. It's like finding your way through a maze. Every choice you make could get you closer to your goal or take you off track. Successful investors are really good at making these choices because they know a lot and have done it before. But sometimes, even the best investors make mistakes. And that's okay. They know that mistakes are part of learning. Instead of getting upset, they learn from them and get even better. So, if you ever feel unsure about something, remember what successful investors do. Take on the challenge, trust yourself, and don't be scared to take smart risks. Because often, the ones who try new things are the ones who get the biggest rewards. Knowledge is power. The importance of continuous learning. In the always changing world of finance, having knowledge is really important. Wealth wizards know that to stay ahead, you have to keep learning all the time. They're always looking for new information, ideas, and ways of thinking. They don't just read financial reports or watch market trends. They're curious about lots of things, like how people think and act. They know that understanding human behavior is just as important as understanding numbers when it comes to being successful. Patience pays dividends, the virtue of long-term thinking. In a society where everyone wants things instantly, wealth wizards are different. They have strong patience and focus on the long run. While others might look for fast money, these investors are happy to wait and trust in how money grows over time and how markets bounce back. But being patient isn't just good behavior, it's also a smart plan. By not reacting quickly to changes in the market and staying fixed on their long-term plans, wealth wizards can handle even the toughest times calmly and confidently. The power of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. One of the basic rules of investing is diversification, and wealth wizards understand this very well. Rather than putting all their eggs in one basket, they spread their investments across a variety of asset classes, industries, and geographical regions, minimizing their exposure to any single risk. But diversification is more than just a defensive strategy. It's also a source of strength. By building a well-rounded portfolio, wealth wizards are able to capture opportunities in both bull and bear markets, ensuring steady returns over the long term. Emotions, the investor's greatest enemy. Understanding and handling feelings can be really tough when you're investing money. In a world where people often get scared or greedy, wealth wizards are different. They stay calm and think clearly. Even when the market suddenly goes down or there's a new investment everyone's talking about, they don't get stressed or too excited. They stay cool and think about what to do carefully. They stick to their plans no matter what. Because they control their feelings, wealth wizards avoid making quick decisions that could hurt their money. Instead, they keep focused on their big goals and make choices that will help them in the future. It's their hard work and determination that make them truly successful investors. The enchantment of consistency and adaptability. Being consistent means doing the same good things over time, and it's super important for success, even in investing. Wealth wizards understand this. They stick to a good investment plan, even when things get tough or when there's a lot happening in the market. But being able to change when needed is also really important. Wealth wizards know that the financial world is always moving, and it can be hard to know what's going to happen. Instead of resisting change, they go along with it. They're open to new ideas, and they change their plans when they have to, so they can make the most of new chances and keep up with what's going on. The magic of mentorship and collaboration. Every successful wealth wizard has a team of mentors, advisors, and partners who have played a role in shaping their journey. These wizards know the importance of seeking advice from those who have gone before them, gaining insights from their knowledge and experience. They surround themselves with intelligent, well-informed individuals who challenge their ideas and offer valuable perspectives. They look for mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement, helping them navigate the complexities of the market confidently. Also, wealth wizards understand the strength of working together. They realize that no one person has all the solutions, and that by combining their resources and expertise, they can achieve more than they could alone. They actively seek opportunities to collaborate with others, whether through investment clubs, networking events, or online communities, tapping into the collective wisdom of the group to enhance their own success. The enigma of humility and gratitude. Even though they're successful, wealth wizards stay humble and down to earth, knowing that their achievements come from hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. They realize they have limits and aren't afraid to ask for help when they need it, understanding that nobody knows everything. Also, wealth wizards are thankful for the good things in life, like the chances they've had. They know that being rich isn't just about money. It's also about having good relationships, great experiences, and feeling fulfilled. They give back to their communities and try to make the world better, knowing that true wealth isn't about what you have, but what you give. To sum up, the secrets to being a successful investor aren't that hard to understand. Even though there might not be a special trick or magic spell, the ideas that help wealth wizards are easy to learn if you're willing to work at it. By being good at managing risks, always learning, being patient, spreading out their investments, and controlling their feelings, investors of all kinds can find the keys to doing well with money. So, keep going, dear reader, and maybe you'll become a wealth wizard too. Subscribe to our channel now and start your journey to becoming a successful investor. Don't miss out on valuable content that can transform your approach to investing.